here's the bird collar. Of course, I won't show you how to make it, because I think they have a patent on it. But I will post a Amazon link. So if you wanna get one of these, the link will be on my channel. So let's see what it does. Oh my god. Okay. So it works like this. Oh. See? So it's pretty cool to play with. And you can also go on Wikipedia and listen to the chickadee sound or blue jay sound or whatever. So here's the product. It's pretty cool. So I hope you like the video, and take care, guys.